episode, I'm gonna show you how to use this turntable motor for microwave oven to light this LED stripe. This is an LED stripe. It works with 220 volts. And this is a turntable microwave oven motor. Okay, this is not about free energy or anything of this stuff. This is real motor that generates volts that can really shock you if you try to touch it while you are rotating it. So let's start this AC. Let's check it. Okay. This is AC voltage. This is the range. Actually reads 200 volts, 300. That's because it's geared motor and it has really high torque, rotating torque. It cannot be turned by hand like this. It's used in the turntable of the microwave oven. You only can rotate it using any hand crank something or this knob. So let's use it with this LED stripe and see what happens. Okay, I just connected two pieces of wires. I'll connect them right here. Like this. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, only when I rotate it. This is actually runs with 220 volts live from the AC outlet, but it can be illuminated using this turntable microwave oven motor. It can work in both sides because it's AC motor, and this is an AC operated LED stripe. It has diodes, and it has resistance, and it works in both sides. If you like this video or any other one, please comment and tell me what you think. Ask anything, I'll be replying to you. And please like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.